dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving y'all a tutorial on how I do this super easy quick weave with clip-ins and minimal leave out. First, you just want to cornrow your hair and don't worry about how the braids look because it's going underneath and no one's going to see it. Next, I go in with my 3-piece clip-in, so I'm using the clip-in that has the 3 different clips on there, and I'm using that for the first few rows at the back. Now for the sides of my head, I'm going to use the clip-ins that have the 2 clips on them. Now I'm just installing the last clip-in, and you're going to see that it is so seamless and you have literally minimal leave out. So it's perfect for a protective style. You don't have to leave out too much hair and you can still get that full look that you want. So now I'm going to get to styling my hair, and I'm going to go in with the Chai Silk Infusion Heat Protectant because I just got my hair washed and my ends trimmed and I don't need no more damage.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, Miss And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. You're trying to leave. I said,
Next, I'm going in with the Chai Holding Spray, and this is just going to help my wand curl curls last.
How I love you, keep keep you here with me, you baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't no
Just doing one more spray for good measure because I hate when my curls fall. Next, I'm going in to do my baby hairs. I tried to do the soft edges, but it just seems like this day I just forgot how to do my edges. Like, I just could not get them to turn out right. So yeah, but they still look cute overall, but they were not soft. They were not giving soft at all.
she want to, man.
Yes, and this is the final look. I literally love it so much, and I just love that there's no leave out. Like, I love clip-ins, but I hate all the leave out, so this was just the perfect alternative, and it's quicker than a quick weave. Like, this literally took me 30 minutes. Super cute, super easy. I'll leave the links for everything down below, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.